Here are two of my favorite ice-breaking activities, and I promise neither of them will make anyone cringe. But first, remember, simply calling something an icebreaker does not automatically make it one. A truly great opening activity needs to be easy to run, instantly engaging, and this is the most important part. It should trigger genuine connection and laughter without anyone feeling put on the spot. These two tick every box. Number 1, blind name tag. Hand everyone a blank index card and a marker, and ask them to place the card on their forehead and write their name without being able to see what they're doing. The results are hilarious, and the laughter that follows, that's the sound of the ice breaking, naturally, effortlessly, without a single awkward moment. Number 2, archival memories. Form pairs and ask everyone to open the photo gallery of their smartphone and to scroll to the very earliest image or the latest image or an image closest to a particular date in time. Then invite each person to share the story behind that photo. It's simple, surprisingly moving, and sparks genuine conversation every single time. 2 activities, 0 preparation, quick and easy, and both guaranteed to get your group connected and talking from the very first minute. For the free step-by-step instructions for both activities, plus 80 more icebreakers just like these, check the links in the description below. And if you've walked away with at least one new idea, do us a favor and like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Lazy Facilitator tips and activity ideas. Thanks so much for watching and have fun out there.